Good morning, friends. My name is Pawan Kumar. I work as a embedded developer in CRIS, that is Center for Railway Information Systems, Delhi Division, New Delhi. Friend, I have given my contact details. So whenever you feel comfortable, you are completely comfortable to make any call, make any technical discussion, and anything that you want. Right? Currently, from the last 6 years, I work in a CRIS for the Northern Railway, Delhi Railway Board. I'm responsible for the development of for the embedded along with the IOT in the railways. Friend, today I will explain how IoT play a vital role in every domain and definitely including railways. Friends, you are familiar with this hardware. I think that you are familiar. That's the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Friends, you are familiar with this Wi-Fi module. Normally, when we conduct interviews in railways or in other PSU, means we ask this question: what is the full form Wi-Fi? That's the wireless fidelity. So beginner or advanced level, that the means everyone should know what that is Wi-Fi, right? So, friend, this is a simple Wi-Fi module which is called ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Friends, here the specialty of this Wi-Fi module is that this particular module work on 3.5 volt DC. Yes, correct. And how we supply this voltage? You can see here a what we call a micro USB port, which can be easily connected to your laptop or a desktop. Friends, it means your Wi-Fi is now work on only plus 3.5 volt DC. Friends, what I want to tell is, now you can connect any of your sensor. For example, I am taking DTH11 sensor. Friends, this is important. That is not only used in railway but in almost many of domains, right? So this particular sensor is used to find, first thing, temperature and humidity. All right, so we can find the temperature of our coach, we can find the temperature and humidity of our room, anything, right, friend? So what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to connect this sensor on any pins. Friends, these are called GPIOs. What is GPIOs? General purpose input output pin. Here we have total 20 left GPIOs and 20 right GPIO. It means we have total 40 GPIOs facilities, right? Right, friends. That's why before interfacing, before sending data to cloud, right, we need to know. Friend, well, for understanding, definitely we need to understand this. Friend, here you can see, oh, this is what we call a just write down L106. That's a 32-bit RISC microprocessor. What a RISC stand for? Reduce instruction set computer. I repeat, that is L106. It's a 32-bit RISC microprocessor. Friend, this completely board is definitely a combination of a Wi-Fi along with a processor. All right, the gain of this hardware, because it's a Wi-Fi module, is plus important. These are asked in most of the interview. Plus 25 dBm. Alright, friend. And what's the frequency band of this particular hardware? That is 2.4 gigahertz. Right, friends? Well, sorry for that. Actually, I'm using a mouse for writing this. Right, friend. But friend, if you have any query regarding sending data on cloud using that IoT module, you can chat, you can just call, you can make anything. Means communication could be anywhere, right, friend? Important thing is that definitely we use a Arduino platform. And this is called a Lua language. It means the what we call the working of this hardware definitely understand one of the language that called the Lua, Lua. That's a Lua. So Lua language is specially designed for the working of Wi-Fi module, where you are able to send your physical quantity. I'm using two physical quantity temperature and humidity, and you can easily send that temperature and humidity on the cloud. Friends, we have two types of cloud here. We have a two types of cloud. First, we have a free cloud. Second, we have a paid cloud. Friends, the one of the best example of your free cloud is the free cloud is one of the best example of your free cloud is your ThinkSpeak. And one of the example of your paid cloud, we have lots of examples like AWS, Amazon Web Services, VMware, right, Alibaba, and lots more. But here, because while working a railway, we have a cloud of our own, but here we didn't have a facility of a paid. So right now I'm just sending that data on a free cloud, that's a thinkspeak.com. For that we need to understand the Lua language. Friend, in this particular script we need to understand the three things. Firstly, we need to understand the three things. Firstly, that's the API. Friend, what is the API? API stand for application programming interface. That's the application programming interface. Friends, API is just like a intermediate between a server and a client. Whatever a client need to send a request to server, API play a vital role. API collect that request from the client and put it to server. Server just get back that request and send particular command to the what we call a client using that API. So API is an intermediate between a client and a server. Second, friend, we have three things in mind. First things, we need three things in mind. So first is your API. I have to tell how to make API. Then you need to mention your SSID. SSID means you need to give the name of your Wi-Fi module. And second and third, friend, you need to mention the name of your Wi-Fi password, friend. Right? Only three things, friend. Just give your email IDs so that I can completely send this program on my channel. You can directly download and directly what we call run your hardware. You can see here done uploading. It means my code is perfectly working. You can directly see that. You can just take this code and directly upload on your hardware. All right, friend. So the first thing is now the second thing is that how to make cloud on ThinkSpeak. Friend, this is a ThinkSpeak. In another channel I will show how to make the channel, right? But today I just show you how this is a live data. Friend, today is 23rd of March and the timing is 15:57 Sunday. I just put my mouse pointer and just put on this point. You can see the temperature of my room is 29 degrees Celsius. Sunday 23rd, you can just match from here, right? That's the 23rd of May 2021 and it's exact 15:57. Friend, that's a GMT. It means I am sending just right now temperature of my room. And just as we move the humidity of my room, just that's a 41%. Sunday 23 of May 2021, 15:39. Friend, I'm just pressing a refresh button. When I press the refresh button, friends, I get the new reading, right, friend? So this is the simple way how to